video, we are going to see some full-time job opportunities and also we'll be seeing some internships. We are going to see the recruitment updates from Intel, which is a core company of electronics. Then we'll be seeing a bulk recruitment update from Accenture and then Meesho. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first recruitment is from Intel. Intel is hiring graduate intern. Bangalore is the location. Now let's have a look on what is the eligibility criteria. So you should be having minimum B.Tech qualification. Now here all the computer science, IT, also EC, EI branches are eligible. Year of pass out they have not mentioned, so anybody with any year of pass out can apply here. So this is an internship opportunity and the location is Bangalore. There will be a selection process which consists of aptitude test, then technical interview and then HR discussion. For Intel, you have to prepare thoroughly for the technical interview. There will be multiple rounds of technical interview or technical selection. There will be coding rounds also. So try to prepare maximum and try to give the test and crack the recruitment process of Intel, and then you can join as graduate intern. After the internship, you can work with the company. So there is no problem in that. And talking about the package, minimum you can expect above 50,000 in this job role. Next one is a recruitment update from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for associate software engineer ASC. They are offering package up to 4,50,000 per annum for locations Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon and Kolkata. They are conducting this recruitment. So for multiple locations, they are conducting the recruitments. So 0 to 11 months of experience is eligible. Now let's have a look on what is the eligibility criteria in detail. You should be having B.Tech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc. Computer science and IT branch is only eligible and with the year of pass out 2022. So this is the eligibility criteria. You shouldn't be having any backlog, maximum 1 year gap. So here the biggest attraction is if you are having minimum 50% and above, you can apply. No need to have 60% criteria. There is no 60% criteria. The next one we are going to see is the selection process. Before that, I want to tell you an interesting information. Before moving forward, let's see how Unacademy, which is India's biggest learning platform, is helping all the electrical, electronics, mechanical and civil engineers out there to skill up and crack core company jobs by bringing up many courses and free workshops. Previously also they have conducted various free workshops in the last week, and many people, many students got benefited from this workshop. They have skill up themselves, they have got certified in various areas, and also they upgraded their resume and LinkedIn profile. So now, that is from 23rd May to 31st May, there is daily workshops happening. All these workshops are free workshops for all the electrical, electronics, mechanical and civil engineers. And you can see the schedule here, which will make you certified in various areas. On 23rd May, which is already completed. So on 27th May, there is Raspberry Pi workshop for electrical engineers. Then 28th May, Industrial Automation workshop. 28th again for workshop for mechanical engineers. And also there is a master class, how to become a successful site engineer, which will be for civil engineers. Just like this, there is free workshops till 31st of May. And also you can see the timings here. Now, if you want to know about the feedbacks of last week workshop, many people have already shared their positive feedbacks here. So all the electrical, EC, civil engineers and mechanical engineers make use of this free workshop, enroll into these free workshops and get trained by industry experts and get certified in various areas. I'll also take you through the site where you can I will also take you through the site of Unacademy. Here you can crack your dream job, your top engineering company job here by enrolling into these free workshops. Just use the code EASY01 to make free enrollment. Now you can see that in this website they have given there is free certified workshops, there is master classes, conducted by industry experts, and also you will be working on the live projects which is happening, and there will be technical tests which will help you in skill up yourself. And you can see various areas or categories in which the workshops are being conducted. There is SolidWorks, there is data science, Raspberry Pi, Industry 4.0, VLSI, civil engineering, industry automation, Internet of Things, etc. So for various areas, workshops are being conducted. Enroll into them. So go to the link in description and enroll into these free workshops and get certified and crack your dream company. Going to see the selection process of Accenture. Soon I'll be posting a video on the interview experience and the selection process of Accenture in detail. So a person who cracked Accenture will be sharing his experience about Accenture selection process, interview experience and all. Okay. So anyway, talking about the selection process, it consists of cognitive and technical assessment, then coding assessment and communication assessment. Three stages or three assessments is there. For cognitive and technical assessment, there is questions from English ability, critical thinking and problem solving, abstract reasoning, totally 50 questions, and 40 questions from common application in MS Office, Judo code, fundamentals of networking, security and cloud. So this is assessment 1. Then assessment 2 is coding assessment. It consists of C, C#, .NET, Java, Python. You will get 2 questions from any one of the following languages. Any one of the following languages. Okay. Now, talking about the third one, which is assessment, which is communication assessment. You will be assessed for your sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency, pronunciation, these areas. So you should be having good communication skills to crack the Accenture selection process. So that's all about the Accenture's recruitment. The last recruitment we are going to see is from Meesho. It is an online selling platform. So Meesho is hiring for data support engineer. Bangalore is the location. Now let's have a look on what is the requirement. So here you should be a graduate. You should be having a graduate degree in engineering. That can be any stream and any year of pass out. So graduate in engineering, any stream, any year of pass out is eligible, but you should be having minimum 1 year of experience in the field of data support. Okay, so if you have previously worked as a data science engineer, or if you have worked on the data analytics area, you can definitely apply here. You should be having knowledge in Linux fundamentals, database fundamentals and SQL. These are the technologies that they are asking. So if you are interested and if you are having minimum 1 year of experience in data support or data science related areas, you can definitely apply here. So these are the 3 recruitment updates which we are seeing in today's video. We have seen core companies and other IT companies also. So if you are interested, just go to the link in description and apply for it. Also, don't forget to check out Unacademy's free workshops. Also, that link will be posted in description. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.